Hi Neet Aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை
My name is Mahanadhi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the work energy power. Already previous parts we have discussed about of the work and energy applications, how to the change of the energy levels and what is the conservative forces and non-conservative forces. Also previous parts we have discussed. Now finally is the power. What is the power? Power is the general meaning is the rate of doing of work is called a power. Rate of doing work is called power. What is the representation of the power? Power is representation of the P is equal to rate of doing of work. Work is vary with respect to time is called a power. What is the units of power? Power is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Means power is scalar quantity. Power of the SI unit joule per second or watt. What is the CGS unit? Means erg per second. Here what is the relation of joule and ergs? Means 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 erg relations. And another one more relation also in other units of the power, 1 HP. HP means horsepower. 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. And what is the dimensions of power? Dimension is the m power 1, l power 2, t power minus 3. These are the dimensions of the power. If you power this much having means how to representation of the average power, how to we can find out the instantaneous power. Now average power, P average is equal to total work done by total time. Now average power how to we can find out means if you any one body is falling vertically time, the energy is we can find out. Now body is falling some vertically height h in between of height, this is the horizontal surfaces. Now how much average power? P average is equal to the total of work done. Work done means here potential energy having mgh by time. If you suppose if you any one of the body is horizontally is moving on the horizontal surfaces. Now here kinetic energy having, why means because body initially in a velocity u, final velocity v, the kinetic energy is of mv square. Now average power P average is equal to half mv square by time. If you this is the related of the potential energy of power, this is the kinetic energy of the related of power. If you suppose total of the P average we need means kinetic energy of the of mv square plus potential energy of the mgh by total time. These are the explanation of the average power. Now instantaneous power, P power of the instantaneous how to we can find means the rate of the work done dw by dt. Now P equal to dw by dt We know work equal to force into displacement. Now same dW equal to F into dx. Now substitution here, power P equal to F into dx by dt. Now power is equal to F into dx by dt. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is velocity. Velocity is equal to dx by dt. Now substitution, P equal to F into V. But here force is the vector quantity, velocity is also vector quantity. If you any two vectors is the dot product, that is called a scalar. Now power also scalar. P equal to F bar dot V bar means P equal to Fv cos theta. If you theta is the angle between of the force and velocity. If theta equal to 0 degree, power equal to Fv. If theta equal to 90 degree, P equal to cos 90 0, power is 0. Theta equal to 180 degree, power equal to cos 180 minus 1 minus Fv. These are the explanation of the instantaneous power. Now power P equal to Fv. When is means if theta equal to 0 degree time. Now P equal to Fv. F means force. Force is equal to ma. Now F replace ma substitution. P equal to m into a into v. Generally acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Now acceleration substitution here, power equal to m into dv by dt into v. Now here this m is converted to left side, p by m is equal to v into dv by dt. Now t is converted to left side, means p by m into dt is equal to v into dv. Now integral on both sides. If you integral on both sides means, now integral p by m into dt is equal to integral v into dv. Now p by m is the constant is outside. Integral dt is equal to integral v into dv. Integral dt is t, means pt by m is equal to integral v into dv, means integral v means v square by 2. Means now these two is coming to left side, means v square is equal to 2 pt by m. Now v is equal to root of 2 pt by m. Now we know velocity is equal to dx by dt. Now velocity replaced, mine dx by dt is substitution is equal to 2 pt by m, root means converted to the 1 by 2. Now dt is converted to the right side, dx is equal to 2p by m root into t power 1 by 2 into dt. Now integral on both sides. integral dx is equal to integral 2p by m root into t power 1 by 2 into dt. Now integral dx is x is equal to constant 2p by m root into t power 1 integral t power 1 by 2 into dt means t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means now this is the reciprocal method. Apply x equal to 2 by 3 into 2p by m into t power 3 by 2. Now this t power 3 by 2 inside is entered means x is equal to 2 by 3 2p t power 3 by m into root. Now this 2 by 3 is inside means x equal to 2 2s are 4 means 4 2s are 8 p t cube by 3 is enter inside means 9 m root. These are the relation of the distance and power on time. Here these are the relation of the velocity and power and time. Now power is equal to fv, power equal to ma into v, f equal to ma means substitution. Now acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Now substitution here, power equal to m dv by dt into v. Now here this is my displacement relation type. I will write p equal to m into dv by dx into dx by dt into v. Now here dx cancel means remaining m dv by dt into v. Up step only is coming. Now velocity is dx by dt. Now dx by dt replaced velocity substitution. P equal to m dv by dx into v into v. V into v square. P equal to m dv by dx into v square. Now m is converted to left side means p by m is equal to dv by dx into v square. Now dx is converted to left side, p by m into dx is equal to v square into dv. Now integral on both sides. Integral p by m into dx is equal to integral v square into dv. Integral dx means p by m is outside. Integral dx means x is equal. Integral v square means v cube by 3. Now I need v means v cube is equal to 3p by m into x. Now these are the relation of the velocity and power and displacement. These are the explanation of the power of the relations with displacement and time. Thank you for watching this video.